Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are gonna do a charging test on the OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6T, and the Samsung S10 Plus. So I'm gonna be using the stock wall charger that came inside the box. As you can see right here, this is the S10 Plus, and there is the specs. If you need to know them or want to see it, it's right there for you guys to take a look. Let me see if this thing can actually focus. There you go. And for the the S7 Pro, I mean, that's the specs for that. Let's see if I could focus it. Okay. Warp charge. And for the 6T, there's the specs. Okay, so let's check out the devices first to show you guys that it is completely empty. I'm powering it on right now, holding it. And the 6T as well. I do get a warning sign here from the 6T that it is completely dead. Okay, it looks like that might power on right there, but let me double check the 7 Pro. The S10 Plus here is pretty much dead. Let me press the 7 Pro again. So it is completely dead, guys. So we still do have a little bit of a battery life here, 1%. So let's just wait until this thing dies on us. Okay, let's just make it faster here. Let's try to kill this battery. Where is my YouTube? Oh, there you go, it's shutting down. So it is dead, guys. Let me press it again to confirm. All right, so warning. Okay, so let's plug these wall charger. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.